Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we save you from making terrible purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On my left, we have the Holy Stone HS110D, and on my right, the ATTOP W10. It's a battle of the skies, and only one drone will come out on top. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's get started. First up, let's talk cameras. The Holy Stone HS110D boasts a 1080p FOV, 120 degrees HD FPV camera. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky, perfect for capturing detailed aerial shots. Reviewers appreciate its decent video quality, although some mention it's not the best in low light. On the other side, we have the ATTOP W10, also rocking a 1080p camera with a 120 degrees view. It's like the Holy Stone's twin, but more budget-friendly. Reviewers find its camera good for the price, but note it may require an Android phone for optimal use. Now, let's talk money. Holy Stone will set you back $99. Reviewers feel it's a fair price for its array of features and durability. Sure, it's a bit pricey, but think of it as an investment in your future as an amateur drone pilot. ATTOP W10, on the other hand, is just $69. That's a steal for its features, making it a great entry-level option. However, some reviewers mention occasional issues with drifting and control, so keep that in mind. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're new to flying drones. The Holy Stone HS110D offers altitude hold and headless mode, making it user-friendly. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and durability, even for beginners. The ATTOP W10 takes it up a notch with toss-to-launch and one-key takeoff landing. Reviewers say it's fun and easy to start flying, although calibration might be required to prevent drifting. Advanced features, anyone? The Holy Stone HS110D can do 3D flips and has mobile control functions like voice control and gesture control. You can literally tell it to take a selfie. Reviewers love these features, although some mention occasional connectivity issues. The ATTOP W10 isn't far behind with 360 degrees free flips, trajectory fly, and 3-gear speeds. It also includes app touch, voice, and gesture controls. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, but note it might not hover as well as expected. Last but not least, safety. The Holy Stone HS110D comes with 2 modular batteries for a total of 20 minutes flight time. Reviewers appreciate the longer flight time, but wish for better safety features like propeller guards. ATTOP W10, however, has 4 propeller guards and includes 4 spare propellers. Reviewers find it safer and more kid-friendly, although some mention issues with battery life and control range. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Holy Stone HS110D for its quality, ease of use, and advanced features, although some mention issues with camera quality and connectivity. The ATTOP W10 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and safety features, but reviewers note occasional control and drifting issues. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS110D is like the Bentley of drones, fancy and feature-packed. On the other hand, the ATTOP W10 is the reliable Toyota, affordable, safe, and gets the job done. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.